Hi there.
Hi, hello. It
Hello.
is hello. I'm Ken. What's your name?
I'm Sultan.
Okay. I tried reading your name from here.
Yes, it is actually my email address. So
Oh,
my name is
okay.
not mentioned there.
Oh, right. Okay. Well, Shaitan, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, but nowadays I'm residing in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, right. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. So where are you from?
I'm from Ghana. Ghana is in
Ghana,
Africa. Yeah.
South Africa,
No, West Africa.
West Africa. Okay. Can you tell me some of your neighboring countries?
Uh, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Cote
Uh,
d'Ivoire.
okay. Okay.
Right.
I have heard of Nigeria.
Yeah, everyone has heard of Nigeria. What did you hear about Nigeria?
Actually, my father was in a merchant navy,
Oh, okay.
so he used to go to Nigeria, and a lot of things he used to buy from there.
Oh, okay. All right.
So
So,
those products had the same Nigeria on them. So that's
I
why I
see.
remember.
Okay. All right. But when you think of Africa, what comes into your mind? What do you think? When you hear Africa,
Uh,
what do you?
I thought it is South Africa.
Okay. All right. So, why did you move to Saudi Arabia?
I'm a teacher over here.
That's awesome. Do you like your
Mhm.
job and do you like Saudi Arabia?
I like both.
Right.
Yes.
Right. I mean, I've taught English before, and I know how stressful it can be, especially with kids. Right. So I'm curious about your
Yes.
experience in Saudi Arabia. How different is it?
Uh, yes. The first year was very tough,
Mm,
and I just managed it somehow. But
right.
these days, as we have online classes,
Right.
so it is much better.
Right. What things made it tough to deal with?
Uh, as you have mentioned, that the ages of the students
Mm,
do matter
right.
because I teach grade four students, and to be very honest, it is a lean task to manage them, to control them, because they are so agile. They don't
Right.
want to sit in their seats. They
Yeah.
always want to interrupt. They always want to express themselves. They have
Right.
a lot of things to talk about.
I've experienced that before in China. I taught
Okay.
English as well, and I
Mm-hmm.
never I never dreamed of hitting the kids because I saw how much
Mm.
attached the kids are to their parents. All right, and
Mm-hmm.
they love the kids so much because they just want you're just allowed to have one child. You know.
Yes, I
Yes.
heard it.
Yeah,
Yes.
so they love the children so much. I mean, the only
Hmm.
children so much, and you don't dare touch them, right? I mean,
Okay.
you can yell, and try to make them scared or something like that, but you can't touch them.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wow. Uh, but here, shouting is also not permissible.
Wow, I
Yes.
feel you. I
Yes.
feel you,
This
man.
is. So how long do you teach in China?
Actually, it was just part time. China really needs English teachers. Really, like there's a huge market for English teachers, and even people who are not
Mm-hmm.
native speakers or people who are not qualified have good jobs in
Mm-hmm.
China. So for me,
Great.
I did not want to teach English professionally and officially as a qualified
Mm-hmm.
teacher because I don't have the certification, right? But I could,
Okay.
yeah, but I could teach a part time to a few college students, teach them what I know, and teach some
Mm-hmm.
kids some basic English words and some I I had some fun way of teaching them, but it wasn't like a full time like my job, and
Okay.
I did that for about 4 years.
Great.
Yeah.
So do they give handsome salary to the teachers?
Oh yes, it's
Okay.
good. And if you have a TEFL certificate, you can earn more. Yeah,
Wow. Great.
yeah.
So
You
why
have
did you leave?
university degree. Uh, because I came to visit my family, and now I can't go back
Because
due
your
to the
family
pandemic.
stopped you? Okay, due to the
No,
pandemic.
yeah, the
Yeah,
pandemic. So the
I
borders are
understand
closed now.
because I understand even the situation in China was not
Yeah,
good
yeah.
previously, but I think it is better now.
Yes, now life has pretty much returned to normal, and
Hmm.
I talk to the people over there, and they say that they're just really worried that maybe foreigners or like expats are going to introduce the virus. They really want someone to blame, right? So
Yes.
if you go there in the beginning when foreigners were allowed to enter, oh my God, the people would actually stay away from the foreigners, right? They
Oh.
would not want to, yeah, because the government was trying to tell them that it's the foreigners bringing the virus into
uh,
China. Yeah, that's what happened.
yeah, that's not good. Okay,
No.
so are you a YouTuber? You have a very special mic. So I assume that you are a celebrity or something. What? Why do we have?
Oh my goodness. Actually, this I am a performer as well. I play the piano. I had a band in China. So when I wasn't teaching, I
Okay.
would travel. Yeah, I would travel
Hmm.
around, and I had a jazz band. And this microphone is what my wife used to sing. All right,
Wow.
it's a special microphone.
Mhm.
I know, but being here and having lots of free time, I thought, hey, why not just go on Cambly and talk to strangers, right? And I didn't have a
Mhm.
microphone, so I just took this and I started using
Great.
it. I know it's weird. It's
That's good.
yeah, I do have a YouTube channel actually. So you can check it out
Mhm.
later if you
What
want.
is this about?
I just posted some songs
Uh-huh.
that we would perform live, but I just put them up there, just because we
So
were
my
bored
guess
at one
was right.
point. Yes, your guess is right. I do have a YouTube channel.
Mhm.
So yeah, you can go check it out. I'm just gonna post it here.
Mhm.
It's not very good, but yeah, it's just for
Okay.
fun.
Okay, I'll check. I'll check.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been on Cambly?
Um, I'd say a month now,
A
just a
month.
month.
Okay. And what
Yeah.
about
What
you?
about
Your
you?
YouTube channel?
Oh, my channel. I started like last year. I would just post random videos on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a
Uh,
very big channel. Don't expect so much.
how many how many subscribers do you have?
Oh my God, don't ask me that. Don't ask me. Um, Let me see.
You even don't
Oh,
remember?
yeah, because I don't put so much effort into. I just post random
Mhm.
videos when I like. I think
Okay.
now it's 84.
Wow. Great. Go ahead. At least you
Yeah.
have something. I hope it will grow.
Yeah. That the thing is, I don't really care because it's not something that I want people to um know me
No.
for. Like only close people know that I play the piano, I play jazz piano, and I do that kind of thing. All right. So
Okay.
it's okay.
So,
Yeah.
okay. Let me ask you about Africa. What was the name of the country you told me in the
Ghana,
beginning?
Ghana, Ghana.
Ghana. Ghana.
Yes,
You
yes.
know that this word in Urdu language means song. Ghana.
Song
Yes, in
in
Urdu language. This
in
the
Urdu,
language. Yes, the language we speak in Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay. Wait, in
Mhm.
Pakistan you speak Urdu and wait, which one is Hindi?
Hindi is spoken in India, which is next to Pakistan.
Ah, right.
Yes,
Okay. Is there like another language? I'm trying to Hindi.
Hindi and
Bengali.
Urdu.
Which one is Bengali?
Bengali is spoken in Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, I think I'm
Yes,
confusing like India,
yes.
Bangladesh, and Pakistan.
There was a time when these all countries
Yeah.
used to be one country.
Oh, okay. All of these countries used to be one country.
Yes,
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think that's why there's some similarities between like Pakistanis and like Indians.
yes, yes. You're
Oh,
right. Even the faces are similar. You
yeah, yeah, yeah. I get that. And but why? I have a question for you. Sorry, before we
mhm.
talk about Africa, um,
Yes, yes.
why do I feel like there's a tension between Pakistanis and Indians?
Yes. I think the root cause is the place which is called Kashmir. So
Okay.
Pakistan claims that it is part of our country. India says that no, we are entitled to have this part. So this is
Right.
the main dispute.
Ah, okay. I always thought that it was something related to eating cows. Right.
Yes,
That's what I.
because we in Pakistan, the majority of the people are Muslims. In our religion, eating
Right.
cow meat is allowed. However, in India, in
Right.
Hinduism, they are not allowed to eat cow's meat because they worship cows. They consider it
Oh.
their god. So that is.
Oh. Okay.
Mm.
Now I can imagine how catastrophic it would be for a Pakistani to go to India and eat beef. Oh, that would.
Yes,
Uh, wow.
that is the
Okay.
reason.
Thanks for explaining it to me.
Mhm.
But it's quite interesting because I think Indians have, I mean, I know that they have a problem with poverty like Africa as well, but I think like in terms of education, in India
Mhm.
has really advanced. Like it's not like it was a long time ago. So I would think that things like this would change. Things like worshipping like animals and
Uh,
drinking cow piss, like stuff like
yes,
that. I
yes.
would assume that it would change and follow. But anyways, let's not talk about religion. All right. So you were
Okay.
asking about Ghana. Um, so Ghana is pretty small. I can show you. Um,
What is the population of Ghana?
just a second. I'm not sure. I haven't been in Ghana for a long time.
Mhm.
Okay. So let's see. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So we have like about 30 million people, like 30 and 42 million.
30 million. And I was
Yeah.
asking about the capital of Ghana.
Yeah. It's Accra. Accra is the
Accra.
capital. Like if you look, yeah, Accra is the capital.
So
Um,
where exactly do you reside in Ghana?
in Accra, yeah, I live in Accra.
You are in the
Yeah,
capital. Okay,
yes,
I see.
yes. This
So
is
what
this is what the city looks.
is there
Uh,
anything Ghana is famous for?
uh, I would say football, but we're not good anymore.
Okay.
Famous for football and let's say the food and our dancers.
Uh-huh.
Ghana's a good dancers, and we have some nice beaches and castles.
Great, great. The beaches seem to be beautiful.
Yeah, just, we have a few nice beaches, but lots of illiterates who don't maintain the place properly and keep it clean.